and today I have come with one of the most important topic of aptitude, that is ratio and proportion. First, let us see the definition of ratio. Ratio is the comparison of two similar terms in its simplest way, in its simplest form. Okay, so A is to B. See, this is the sign of ratio, and it is called is to. A is to B is equals to A upon B. For example, 40 is to 60 is equals to 40 by 60. Okay, so by cutting or by cancelling this fraction with 20, we will get 20 by 2 by 3. So the ratio is 2 is to 3. So this is the ratio. See, there is a difference between fraction and a ratio. Fraction is any value which has numerator and denominator. See here, like 4 upon 6. This is fraction, but this is not ratio. Ratio is any two value in its simplest form. The fraction should be in its simplest form. For example, after cancelling it by 2 into 3, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, we get 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 or 2 is to 3 is the ratio. 4 by 6 is a fraction, but 2 by 3 is a ratio. So this difference we have to understand. Okay, so knowing the basic of any subject, we can solve any toughest question. Okay, let us now see part concept. To solve all the questions of ratio and proportion, we will use part concept. So let us learn what is part concept. Suppose total weight of A and B is 100 kg. So ratio of A and B is given 2 is to 3. Total weight is given and ratio is given of A and B. So what will be the individual weight of A and B? We have to find the individual weight of A and B. So by using the usual method, what we are doing usually, we are taking 2 in the numerator and 2 plus 3 in the denominator into 100. This is the usual method we have learned in school. But you will use the method which you have learned in school in the competitive exam. You know that it will be a waste of time, and it is clear that you will not be able to clear the competitive exam. So because of time and trick is the important factor to crack the competitive exam, so I am going to tell you the part concept which will help to clear your questions based on ratio and proportion. So this is the usual method, and what we will get here, 2 by 5 into 100. So 5 into 20, so it is 40. So total weight of A and B is 100 kg. A ratio is given 2 is to 3. So what is part concept? We will take 2, so A is to B. So A has 2 part, B has 3 part. Okay, so it is 2 part, it is 3 part. So how much? 2 part plus 3 part. Adding how much we will get? 5 part. And 5 part is given as 100 kg. Okay, 100. So 1 part will be 100 divided by 5, that is 20. So 20 is 1 part. So directly we can say that 1 part is 20. So 2 part will be 2 into 20. That is A will be 40. And B is 3 part. So 1 part is 20. So 3 part will be 60. So B will be 60. So by using the part concept, we can directly see, not even to write in the paper. Directly you can see and calculate in mind, and you can see that it is the weight of A and B is 40 kg and 60 kg respectively. So in the coming questions, I will use this part concept and I will solve all the difficult questions of ratio and proportions which will help you to crack your competitive exams. So let's begin with the first question of ratio and proportion. So let's begin with the first question of ratio. So the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls is 6 is to 5. The number of boys is more than the number of girls by 200. What is the total number of girls in the school? We have to find the total number of girls in the school. So first I will show you the usual method. Okay, so the ratio of boys to the girl is 6 is to 5. So the total number of boys is more than the number of girls by 200. So it is boys and it is girl. So 6x minus 5x equals to, the relation is 6x minus 5x, because number of boys is more than number of girls by 200. So x equals to 200 we will get, and then we can find the total number of girls, that is 5x, that equals to 5 into 200, that equals to 1000. Total number of girls is 1000. This is the usual method. In small questions, usual method is also the same way we can do, but in the lengthy questions you will see the benefit of using part method. So let's see the part method, how to use in this question. So ratio of boys is to girl is 6 is to 5. So boys is 6 part, girl is 5 part, and number of boys is more than number of girls by 1 part, and that is given as 200. 6 minus 5, 1 part, that is given as 200. So 1 part is 200, and we have to find the number of girls, and number of girls is 5 part. So number of girls is 5 part, and 5 into 200, that is 1000. So by using the part concept, you don't have to, by practicing so much questions, more and more questions, you don't have to even write on these things on the paper. You can just do the calculation on mind, and by using the part concept you can directly say that the answer is 1000. So let's move on to the next question. Let us now see the next question based on ratio and proportion. 207 students appeared for an examination, out of 276 registered students. Okay, so 207 students appeared out of 276 registered students. Find the ratio between registered to the appeared student. Okay, so it is the simplest question. Ratio will be how many 276 registered. So 276 upon 207. So this is the ratio. Cancel it by 3. So how will we know it? Both of them will cancel it by 3. By using the divisibility rule, we can say that 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. So 15 is divisible by 3. Adding all the terms, and how to check the divisibility by 3? By adding all the terms. If the result is coming, it is divisible by 3. So the number is divisible by 3. So 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 2 plus 7, 9. Okay, so 9 is also divisible by 3. So we can cancel this by 3. 3 into 9, 3 into 2. 3 into 6, 2 remainder, 2, 7. So 3 into 9. So the value, so now we cannot cancel. 92 and 69 we cannot further cancel. So the ratio will be 92 is to 69. So the ratio is here 92 is to 69. And in option, if it is not given 92 is to 69, so go on marking none of this. Okay. Let us see the next question on ratio and proportion. So this type of question you will usually see in the coming competitive examination. The cost of 3 digital cameras and 5 cell phones is 35,290. What is the cost of 9 digital cameras and 15 cell phones? Okay, so the given value is 3 digital cameras plus 5 cell phone. Both the cost is given as 35,290. So the cost of 3 digital cameras and 5 cell phone is given as 35,290. So what is the cost of 9 digital cameras plus 15 cell phones? We have to find the cost of 5 digital cameras, 9 digital cameras and 15 cell phones. So by multiplying the first equation with 3, by multiplying the first equation with 3, we will get 9 digital cameras first into 3. 9 digital cameras plus 5 into 3, 15. 15 cell phones equals to this value, 35,290 into 3. So this is a larger value, and this we have to multiply with 3. So in the fast trick videos, I have told you how to multiply big values with small values. So I will tell you now, and I will remind you how to multiply these terms. Okay. So 3 into 0 is 0. 29 into 3 is 3 into 30 minus 1, that is 87. So 87. And 35 into 3 is 105. So the answer is 105870.